bless you today and welcome to today's New Life News Break. Today is the 5th Sunday, December 30th, 2012. And no matter what location you're viewing this from, we welcome you to New Life Church. And even for those of you viewing on the internet, Pastor and I welcome you to New Life Church and wish you the very best and happiest year 2013. May it be the best year yet of your life. New Life offices and the Learning Center will be closed on Monday, December 31st, and will reopen on Wednesday, January 2nd. Now, don't forget to ask for your prayer cloth that's been prayed over by our pastor and bring it with you to the Watch Night service. Remember to bring it with you. Prayer cloths will be available today at all locations. And again, don't forget to bring it to the Watch Night service. Now, the highly anticipated New Life Watch Night service will be held on New Year's Eve, Monday, December 31st, and will start at 9:30 a.m. Pastor will meet with all ministerial staff at 9 p.m. in the Annex 2 cafeteria, and you are asked to please be on time. Now, evening Bible studies will not be held this week, and all auxiliaries that have not yet submitted your dates for 2013 must do so by the end of today to ministryaffairs@nlcogic.org. Now, congratulations to our very own Deacon Ricardo Randall on his retirement from the Veterans Administrations with state, national, and international honors. Way to go. Now, our pastor is very concerned about your health. And on that note, he and Gold's Gym have worked out a very special deal for all members and extended family members of New Life Church. Now, many live too far from All Fit to commute every day, and so you can enroll at any local Gold's Gym and pay $11.95 every 2 weeks for a single membership or $26.95 every 2 weeks for a family membership. Now, beginning the first Sunday in January, Gold's Gym representatives will be at the Annex 2, 9:30 and 11 a.m. after each service to sign you up. So be sure to pick up a flyer to get this special rate. And also, please note that if you're already a member at All Fit Gym, this is not to take away from that and from those of you who are already using that special deal as well. But come out and take charge of your health in 2013. Now, we especially want to keep Mother Barbara Howard in our prayers on today. She lost her granddaughter, Nariana, and that homegoing service will be on today. That's today at Annex 5 at 3 p.m. Also, we want to keep the entire Seawright, Carter, and Boswell families in our prayers in the passing of Rita. And also, we want to keep in our prayers Mother Margaret Anderson, who lost her son. Let's continue to pray, saints, because we serve a God that is able. And don't forget about our very own Dion Whetstone's annual Gospel Showcase Explosion that's happening for the new year. Be sure to stop by the lobby and pick up a flyer. Thank you so much for your attention to these observations. Now, let's praise the Lord.